Hey guys, this is open box review and quality test for PULIDIKI car cleaning gel. This is the second time I purchased this product for my car. Really like it. I just give you a quick demo. Open the box. It's supposed to be 160 gram, but I actually got a 190 gram. So you literally have 20% more than what supposed to be. Just pull the gel out of the box. First thing you smell is very like mountain fresh air. Smells very good, and the gel is clean. Very easy to storage. Now, like give you a quick quality test. Here's my car. You can see my wife has been cleaned a few times, but they still have some dust and sands in the car. I cannot use the vacuum to pick it up. Now the gel is perfect for the job. You can see some of the hidden corners because the gel is universal shape. Very flexible. I can touch and sticky any corner. This is the CD player. All the dust is actually deep in the slot, and I can pick it up with the cleaning gel. No residual. The same thing with the vent. All the slot, and it's hard to put a finger in, but if you put a gel can expanding into the slot and pick it up. The same thing with the dashboard for the LED screen. Pick all the dust you see. It's beautiful. This is how it looks like after cleaning all the dashboard and pick up all the sand and dirt. And for the cup holder is perfect because cup holder is small size. I get a hard time vacuum it. And now just pick up the dust with the gel. Is all picked up. Here's this how it looks like. For the 12 volts outlet, is also trapped the dirt. Now just using the PULIDIKI clean gel, I pick it up as clean as new. Very nice. Here I want to share a little bit of tip for those dirt sands in between the cleavage of the seats. It's hard to vacuum. You just punch the seat a few times, let the seat vibrate so all the sand pop up, and then you're using the car clean gel, pick it up. You can look at the gel, all those dirt in the gel. Let's take a second look at the gel. You see all the dirts being trapped in the gel. That's how effective it is. This is the right tool for the right job. I really like it. As I said, this is the second time we purchased. 5-star from me. Very good quality. Recommended.